Morning everyone, let's quickly have a look at crypto, see what's going on, what are the latest updates. As you can see here, BTC is currently struggling below the 100k once more and is currently at 98.3, sorry, and it's going sideways more or less. It's not really a correction, it's not really a crash, it's not really going down, it's just going sideways. It's a very strong consolidation and we're currently having the same effect in every single coin in the market. What I want to focus on today in today's video, I do want to have a look at Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as you can see here, when you look at the chart, you will find over the last 90 days or so, we're having a very slow and steady increase in price and it's going beautifully, and we're having a little bit of consolidation here. So I do believe once we break out of this pattern here, we can potentially go to the 106,000 US dollar. If we go to Dogecoin, however, we will find a more or less similar but slightly different scenario. You will find a very large spike here, all the way going from 20 cents all the way to 40 something cents here, and then we're going in an increasing consolidation formation over here, and we're currently nearly touching the 50 cents mark, and then we will find things, where am I? Here am I. And then we will find that things will have more volume and more volatility as things evolve in the market. So what to look for right now if you're trading, if you're holding, if you're just looking to enter the market? Well, if you're entering the market right now, I would say you're a bit too late. It's never too late, but I would say you're a bit too late. I do believe that currently if you're holding, keep holding. Probably we still have a little bit of a leg before we start taking serious profits, because the market will have to go through a major correction. The correction can happen for Bitcoin around within the zone between 106 all the way to 120. That would be the first correction of the cycle, probably between 15 and 30%, and then we can reassess the whole situation. But a correction is needed. A correction will happen eventually. When exactly, nobody knows. How, nobody knows, but it just will happen. Will it happen this year? Well, I do believe that Bitcoin will hit the 106k probably by the end of this year. So maybe Q1 next year, we will find this correction taking place. I'm not a financial advisor, should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks, but I do believe that it will happen that way. Dogecoin, however, the magical number of $1, I don't believe it will happen by the end of this year. I do believe, however, that we will find that Dogecoin is having the previous all-time high, which was around 70 cents or so, by the end of this year. That's feasible, that's manageable, that can happen. We touched nearly 49 cents last week, and we were just a few cents away from the previous all-time high. So that can happen, and this is feasible and achievable. That's still a good percentage for you. If you're looking currently at around 42, 43 cents, you're looking at nearly doubling or 3/4 of your current position. That will be an increase in price, so that's quite a good one to be in. And Dogecoin is a huge consideration, of course, for me and for many others. The major factor for Dogecoin, for me, what makes it very exciting and very interesting, is that Dogecoin will be used in the US government. At least that's my prediction. I believe that Elon Musk will drive this kind of Doge, Department of Governmental Efficiency, into using Dogecoin. That's how I perceive the hidden messages Elon Musk is saying here and there, and he explicitly said before that he's a very big supporter for Dogecoin. So, you know, it's a fun coin, it's a meme coin. Of course, you shouldn't put more than you can afford to lose, but it has a good potential. So my humble prediction is keep sticking with Dogecoin until we see how things will evolve. And of course, as you updating you whenever something else happens in the market. Thank you all for attention, and see you next one.